This is our tractor tire, and we had a flat. When we got the tires off, we realized that there was a ton of rust on both of the wheels. So we decided to take the rust off so that it wouldn't puncture the inner tubes anymore. This is my son David. He's helping me to get the rust off, grind it off. Thank you, David. I really appreciate it. Your help is invaluable. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to stick around to help me with the other wheels, so I had to do the other one myself. This wheel I cleaned up, and now it doesn't have any jagged edges on it, and I put rust mort on it yesterday. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to wash it off or something before I paint it. Not sure, but we'll paint it here in a minute. Yeah, that's first coat. I'll let it sit for a while. And we'll come back to it. That's good. It's out.